kind of a cool video today, guys. We've got actual police handcuffs here that we are gonna remove the paint off of so that these things can be Cerakoted purple. And to do that, we're actually gonna use this 60 grit aluminum oxide, which is crazy aggressive, but it's gonna leave a very good profile for that Cerakote to actually latch onto and to do a very good job of staying on these, because they're actually going to be used. After we blast them to remove the paint is we're actually going to put this in our 4,000 PSI hydro blast. And the reason for doing that is so we can actually remove any abrasive that's left behind. As you know, if you guys own a vapor hunting machine, abrasive is very good at getting anywhere that you don't want it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove that paint. It's been a long time since I messed with 60. Because normally what do we have? 90? Yeah, it's 90. The biggest aluminum oxide I've ever seen was, I think it was, you remember the 16 grit that we had? Because we were using it to take, I can't remember what it was, I think it was paint off some rims, and it sounded like pop rocks whenever it would come up and hit the window, because they looked like little pebbles. I mean, it was insane. Oh yeah, I can see it taking it off. So as you guys can see, that paint came off easy, but these things definitely have abrasive in them, and you can hear it. And so that's why I'm gonna use the Hydro Blast Max, because I can actually get in there and blast that abrasive that's in there out. Probably in a total of 5 minutes, you have the perfect surface profile for Cerakote. These things are gonna look great. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can actually check these things out whenever they're finished. If you wanna see projects like this, subscribe. We're gonna be doing all kinds of cool stuff. And if you actually have something that you wanna send it in. We have free application testing. Thank you all for watching. If you like this, again, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and also follow us on our other socials. We post stuff like this every day. Again, thank you all for watching. We hope you have a great day. Peace.